Here I've got KAZAM Tornado 350 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick Backup and Reset. And now select Backup My Data, so simply click on this switcher. And now it's time to create the backup account, so click on the second icon, Backup Account, and click on Add Account. If you already have your account, click on Existing, and if not, if you would like to create a new one, just click on New. I will log in with mine, so it's time to enter the email address. It's HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com. And then click on password and enter your password. So let me enter it out of the camera. And once it's typed, just click on finish. Confirm that you agree with all Google's service terms of usage and give your device a few seconds. And that's it. As you can see, your backup is created, so you will have everything backed up to your Google account. So just click on next, give your device a sec, and as you can see here is the backup account that you either created or logged in previously. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.